Hi, I'm Jake and I'm here at our winery in the tank room, and then we're going to go over to the barrel room to look at a couple of different lots of Chardonnay. The last time we saw this wine, it was in grapes, in the form of grapes in bins that were being dumped into the stemmer crusher. So it went from there into a couple of different tanks, settled in those tanks, got very cold, and then in one case was racked into another tank to ferment, which is this. This is our home chard. And then over in the barrel room, we have the other lot of Chardonnay, which is our gravel bar chard. So the stuff that's in this tank here is going to be behind what's in the barrel room in terms of its fermentation. It's staying a little bit colder and moving a little bit more slowly. When we inoculated the gravel bar lot and put it into the barrels, the excitement of just putting it from the tank into the barrel stirred it up and got it moving more quickly. This is a little bit paler because the fruit was a little bit less ripe, and it's got a more citrusy green apple smell than the gravel bar does. And you can see it's kind of cloudy. I was drinking red wine out of this glass, so it's got a little bit of that in it too. But it's a little bit cloudy. It's kind of cloudy lemon yellow. Still pretty sweet and pretty tart. Nice. Let's go check out the gravel bar. All right, so that was the home Chardonnay that we tank ferment, and here's the gravel bar chard. So we make a couple of different lots of Chardonnay every year. One is our main production chard, which is the home chard. It's got a black label, and the other is this tiny production gravel bar Chardonnay. Now, it's great. You can hear the stuff going snap, crackle, pop in the barrel. And these two shards, even at this stage of the game, they even look different, which is strange. This is a little bit browner and a little bit darker. The grapes here were like in the 24 to 24.5 range, and for the home Chardonnay, they were in the 23 to 23.5 range. So that difference, I find that small difference in Brix and white grapes makes more of a pronounced difference than it does in red grapes. And that in combination with the barrel fermentation gives this more tropicality, more tropical notes. It smells more like pineapple. It smells, Pancho says, like peaches. And the fermentation's moving a little bit more quickly, so it's drier too. It doesn't have as much sugar as the gravel bar Chardonnay has in it right now. This is the first time we've done barrel fermentation for Chardonnay all the way down the line. And I gotta say, it's a piece of cake. I really hope we end up liking the product because it's beautiful and it's actually easy to do. And for a lot that's as tiny as our gravel bar Chardonnay is, it's actually a really easy way to do it too.